Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and today I am doing a freshman makeup tutorial. I haven't started school yet, but I know some of you guys have, so I thought I'd do a makeup tutorial, but this is also kind of what I'm doing for my freshman year when I want to wear makeup. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and let's get started with the video. Also, if I look oily, it's because this lighting is just making me look like a shiny mess, but it's okay. So I'm going to start off with this Clinique Moisturizer. Y'all can't even see it because it's so bright in here, but you know, it's okay. It's like a gel moisturizer and it's like the best thing ever. Like, you need this moisturizer in your life. A tiny little bit of this can like cover your entire face, so you don't need a lot, which is awesome. Okay, so now that I look even oilier, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Urban Decay. Y'all can't even see any of these things. The Urban Decay Rebound priming spray, and I like this. Some people don't, but this says that it contains fish proteins. Yum. Okay, so now that I am all moisturized and primed and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, but I just take some of this and put it under my eyes, and I'm just gonna start blending this out because we don't need no beauty blender. I just like to use my finger because I feel like it doesn't pick up the product. Sometimes I feel like a beauty blender does. So now my under eyes are super bright and like I look so weird. But then I go ahead and I'm gonna take it like a little line on my nose. Sounds weird. And then I just do 2 dots right there. But this is gonna look so weird. I just realized that like I got tan, so like this doesn't really match my face anymore. Well, tan. But it doesn't really match my face like it used to. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Oh goodness gracious, that was a lot. So the next thing I'm using, see, this always happens, is the Essence, whatever the heck this is, Essence bronzing powder. And we're just gonna bronze the face. It looks like I have highlight on because this makes like my skin so shiny. I'm using the Tarte highlighter. And where did my highlighter brush go? Guess we're not using that brush to highlight because who knows where she went. But I'm just gonna, holy cow, that. And I don't normally highlight with a powder brush. But you know. Well, shoot. I just realized I never set my face. Now, I'm just gonna use a little beauty blender and take some powder and kind of just blend it in. Dude, this video is turning out to be just like a huge fail. But you know, it's okay. So yeah, I'm just going ahead setting underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna do a little bit over my nose. Now that I've set my face, we can move on. Doing my highlight, we gotta get some on our nose. I like here too. I just love my highlight glowing. Go ahead and do eyebrows. So of course for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I don't even remember what shade this is in. Medium brown. Yeah, just filling in my brows a tiny little bit, just like the end and kind of shaping the front, but like honestly, you can't even really tell that I do it. I just kind of fill the end in just a tad, so you can even barely even see a difference between the two. I just like to do that because like I think it looks a little bit better between the two. Like here's this side and here's this side. Like I don't know, I think it looks a little bit better when I do that, but I don't do anything crazy to my brows because I don't trust myself. Yeah, okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm just taking the Essence Brow Gel and I'm just going to put that in there to just hold them in place and keep them, you know, not going all over the place throughout the day. By the way, I'm not going anywhere, I'm just showing you guys what I'm gonna do. So those are my brows. I go ahead and apply my mascara, and I'm using the Great Lash Mascara. I've noticed that I've been reaching for a lot of drugstore products lately. Honestly, I have a lot of high-end products that I could choose from, but these drugstore products are really just showing those products up. Wait, is that even like, does that even make sense? I don't know. They're just, you know, making me happier than the high-end stuff right now, so I'm just gonna keep going with those for now. And yeah, so these are my lashes. They don't look that good because I didn't curl them. Normally I do, but it's okay. It's okay. And then I'm just gonna do my bottom ones. Those are my eyelashes after all of that, and that is the ending look. Yeah. I obviously would normally put on like Carmex or something, but I don't have that right here, so I'm just gonna put this baby lips on to finish the look off. So yeah, that is basically it. I would take my hair down, but it's been up all day, so it probably have a huge bump in it. So we're gonna leave it up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oof, look at that cutie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, sorry this video is all over the place. Like, I thought it was gonna turn out a lot better, but it did not. So if this is your first video that you've ever watched of me, please go watch other videos because I promise there's some that look a lot better than this and that I don't look like an actual, like, egg in. So, yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Goodbye. Mwah.